Hi, I'm Noah, and I'm from Ankeny, Iowa. I'm 8. I'm 8.
And I'm Brian, and I'm Noah's dad. This is Noah's favorite author, and we're just excited to have this experience. And we read up on it, and we've been tracking Jeff to see when his next appearance would be. So we thought it'd be a fun family spring break experience.
If I were one character in Diary of a Movie Kid, I would be Greg.
And why?
Because he's funny, and he has a best friend, Rowley, that's funny too.
My name is Ethan Rocco. I am from Houston, Texas, and I am 9.
Hi, I'm Carrie Rocco, and I think Ethan here may be Jeff Kinney's biggest fan. So we were so excited to come up for the McFadden Lecture Series, coming 20 hours to see this lecture.
And how many of these books have you read?
All 12 of them.
Why do you love these books so much?
Because they're very, very funny.